Galaxy, welcome to Aaron's Diary at Aaron's Log. So for today's video, as you can see in the thumbnail or in the title, I'm gonna do a day in a life in province. So that's a question because I haven't decided yet. So let's go. Next page, swipe. Baliktad pala. Sorry guys. Malapit siya mabalik. Ito. Annyeong unadir. Annyeong unadir. Hello Galaxy. Ang Galaxy. Bibili po tayo na Magic Sarap at saka toyo. Kasi naubusan na guys. Kaya ngayon, papunta ako sa tindahan. O iba. Bala na. Dito ko kayo guys. Ayo. Ayo. Palitan. Palitag Magic Sarap o toyo. Awak mo yung toyo.
O ikaw lang, wala na ba delivery pa, ano pa Sabado.
Okay.
O kanina ay kuhan, ginisa mix na laman na Nor cubes. Magic Sarap, bits ko nila man po na. Magic Sarap lang.
Sige, arisa ko. Salamat. Asa? Okay. Sige, salamat. Arisa ko. Hi.
Arabahin og jawi.
Pwede mo pala.
Ano man day?
Koan Magic Sarap ug toyo. Kanang tagpila rin yung gamay nga toyo. Sige, salamat. Mission accomplished. See guys. Hala guys, naliliko. Oh my god, asan na ba yung daan? Oh my god. Asan na yung daan? Joke. Wait guys. Guys, nawawala ako. Saan na ba yung daan? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, asan na yung daan? Guys, yung daan asan? Oh my god. Nagtatanong kung nasan din yung daan, pero sinusubay na pala yung daan. Sinusubay. Hindi nakahak. Joke lang. Hindi ako naliligaw. So dyan parang kadibatan lang talaga ang ating kinaroroonan. Baka may makakita. Sino ko usip mo? Di ba malamang? Di ba obvious? Siyempre yung cellphone sa charge pa. Check mo. Hindi naman kayo eh. Ito. Ano, hindi yan pawis guys. Ano yan? Nag-spray kasi ako yun. Nadamihan ko ng pabango. Joke. Kasi ang init guys eh. Tapos sabi niya, ba't ka nag-jacket kung mainit? Kaya ang nag-jacket, para hindi tumagos sa balat ko yung ano ba yun? Yung UV rays. Yeah. Yan. Hanggang dun. Hanggang dun. Sure. Dead air. Merong dead air. Dito nga natin. Hindi joke lang. Kasi pag dumalabas kasi ako guys, kailangan naka-jacket. Tapos ganito. Hindi yung short. Tapos yung ano yung salay ko. Ano bang tawag dito? Basta salay ko. Tapos shirt. Hindi ako type na ganun. Hindi ako ganung type. Sorry. Meme! Meme! Mainit ka na dyan. Dun ka oh. Malapit na ako guys. Tulong-tulong yung taas ko na. Pero naligo naman ako kagabi. Check kagabi. Kagabi lang. Pwede din ngayon din. Sige mamaya. Dito na ako guys. Update.
Kada Linda Vera paligpata og San Miguel Pelpilsen.
Buho.
Wa man.
Mao nay pagkaon sa pobre. Parisan og
Ginamos.
sudan nga di ana kuan lot ating lot ni sa adabakos bugas na among sudan tinobre
Na may kuan tato ah.
Liwat mo kumamay na ay papa. Giluto ni mo gusto may?
oo ano man di ini unsa man di problema ani mura man si jag nalabad.
Sige, butang ag-ilaw bagod. Time check guys. For this vlog is right now is 1:24 p.m. in the afternoon. Yeah, I guess. Cause yeah. It's so hot in the Philippines, you know. So time check Galaxy right now is 2:14 in the afternoon. So I guess that's all for today's vlog because hindi po natuloy yung dapat na gagawin ko talaga sa day in life in province. I'm supposed to do a little sewing for this routine but it was been cancelled and yeah, it's not really an appointment or schedule or any business but it just supposed to be a part of this vlog guys but yeah I didn't do that thing. And yeah, I only do a morning routine. I just woke up, I just do my hair and get some sunrays. Vitamin, ano ba yung sun? Vitamin D, I guess. And then I only do the morning part and the cooking. Not really the cooking because I'm just assisting back then. Yeah, and just enjoy the moment of morning. You know, just listening to the birds singing and nature sing, I guess. And the nature view in the morning. Yeah, because I really like sunny day, guys. And yeah, I didn't even eat. But let me correct it. I eat, guys, but kumain pa ako, guys. Pero hindi ko lang na-video kasi sabay kami kumain lahat. Kaya, yeah, let's consider them their privacy, I guess. So, alam niyo po kung anong mas maganda pag tumira ka sa province. You know, you can enjoy the view. You can enjoy the view of the nature here in province, and also I really like the morning routine here because, you know, you can wake up in the morning listening to the birds singing, and yeah, especially in sunny day. Yeah, I really like sunny day, but it's really hot here in the Philippines. I hope you guys consider this video because yeah, that's all I've got. But I hope you expect for the version 2.0 version. Yeah, soon. If I have the proper schedule for a daily schedule. Daily? Yeah, I hope so. I can create my daily routine so I can read for you guys. So, and yeah, I guess that's all for this vlog because yeah, this is my first a day in a lifetime vlog, so bear with it, guys. I hope that's all for today's video. So I hope you guys like this video and also comment your opinion about this vlog, guys. I really appreciate it, guys, if you leave your comment below, and also hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click that notification bell for you to get notified for my next video. So I guess that's all for Erin's vlog, and hope you have a good day every day. Bye, Galaxy. Annyeong, ang gonna do flying. Nag-kiss ka na. Sige, yun na lang. Bye, Galaxy. Annyeong, Galaxy de. See you next vlog.